Okay, our next session is looking at emails from hotmail.com or outlook.com. You'll see here that we are already in our email account and we're in our inbox. And like the other emails, you'll notice some are a little bit darker than the others. And the ones that are lighter have already been read, and the ones that are darker have not been read. So we're just going to open up one. So I'm going to click. You click the name of the person or the subject line to open it, and you will get the email, and you can read it. And once you're done, all you have to do is to go back. You can click this arrow to get back out, and it will take you back to your inbox. So we're going to open up a darker one that has not been read already, and you'll see it has a picture. And to see the picture, all you have to do is click on it, and it becomes a little bit bigger, a little bit easier to see than the little one. So this opens up a new window, and you'll see in the top right-hand corner, there is a little X. We're going to left click on that X. You're back in your email. And again, you can click on this arrow to take you back to the inbox, or you can come over to the left side here and just left click on the word inbox, and we are back in our inbox.